BIBI, BUMPA. Let's check it out. I think I've seen like oh, what is that? A flower? A petal? Oh, she's so cute. BIBI's so sweet, bro. Gotta meet her a few times. I got to talk. Ooh, okay. We drying out. Ooh, baila para mí. Dance with me. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, I mean, I have to. Okay. Would say that one more time. Baila para. Give it to me, Poppy. Hey, listen. Mi nombre, Dre. Arroz con pollo, papas fritas, donde las maletas, biblioteca. Anyways, you know, she called me Poppy. I got to spit Spanish back. That's like no mañana. Oh, she flexing her Spanish. Oh. Bump my bumper. Hold up. Ma'ams? What are y'all doing here? Is the door open? Sorry, my dog. The two dogs came up. I just see two little Dachshunds looking like, oh, this is a brand new place. I've never been here. Get out of here, you cuties. Anyways, what'd you say, BIBI? Ooh. Oh, the tongue! So cute. Wait, what did she do with the fan? Oh, she in love with the... Bumpa means butt. Ah, bump my butt? Is she saying bump in Korean? Keep the bass up, face down. Ooh. This is like a POV of like you in a relationship with BIBI. The way she's putting necklaces on you. Are you friends? Maybe friends? Or are you just watching her POV vacation? Period, queen. Period. Baila para mí. You got me, Bobby. Baila para mí. 저기 불어오는 바다 바람이 파도를 만들어 춤추게 하듯. You got me dancing, baila para mí. What we dancing to? Hey, she need to stop playing with that. This is a fun song. It's a cute song. It's definitely made for the summer coming up, or spring break, basically. Which spring break is already done, I think. Yeah. She's so adorable, so cute, so BIBI. My girlfriend's in love with you, by the way.
was here, I wanna like party too. Yeah, I love the short hair. Where are they actually? I was about to ask, where was this filmed? Like, was this in Thailand? Oh, you hear them? You hear them? Talk to them. Talk to them. Was it in Thailand? Or Bali? No, I don't know. That's not the same place, obviously. It looks like Thai because she says something. It sounds like Thai, right? That was fire. Let's go, BIBI. Give it up for BIBI. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.